Alliance would boycott the oath-taking ceremony of the newly elected Maharashtra Assembly. This as a mark of protest against the quote-unquote misuse of the EVMs in the recent polls. He added that they boycotted the oath-taking ceremony today as democracy, as he claimed, was being murdered by the misuse of the EVMs. He further stated that the results of the Maharashtra Assembly elections is not the mandate of the public, it is the mandate of the EVMs and the Election Commission of India. Listen into what he said.
Not taking the oath today as a mark of boycott. This is a mark of protest against what is happening in Markadwadi. If you see across Maharashtra, after such a big government's mandate, this should have been celebrated by the people. Instead, the people are in shock. This mandate is by the EVM, this mandate is by the Election Commission of India, but not by the people of Maharashtra. We are protesting against the injustice that is being meted out to Markadwadi. They are asking for a mock poll. Nothing will come out of a mock poll. Decision won't change, but the mock poll will show the truth. And what Markadwadi wants to show the people is the truth, which this government is getting.
Daryl on the telecast with me. Daryl, more commotion on the first day of the session of the Maharashtra Assembly. The government has been formed, but the Mahavikas Aghadi leaders, MLAs, continue to protest. This time around, the issue that they have raised is the malfunctioning, the misuse of the EVMs.
Absolutely, Megha. A 3-day Maharashtra Legislative Assembly special session is going on, where for the 2 days at the beginning, that is today 7th December and tomorrow 8th of December, all the newly elected MLAs will be taking oath. And on the third day, that is on the 9th of December, a speaker will be appointed. But today, since it's the first day, the opposition Mahavikas Aghadi have boycotted of taking the oath, and they have moved out of the assembly because Aditya Thackeray has made a statement that the mandate, the results which were declared, it is not the mandate of the people, and therefore the election should be taken on the ballot paper. So yes, Aditya Thackeray and all the other MLAs of the opposition Mahavikas Aghadi have boycotted from the oath-taking ceremony of the newly elected MLAs going on in the Vidhan Bhavan. And on the other hand, if we see, all the other supporting parties of the MBA also have moved out. Jitendra Awad, Nana Patole, and all the senior leaders also have moved out of the assembly today, and the vote is vote today. Megha.
Okay, stay on with me, Daryl, because NewsX has also spoken to the Congress leaders on the matter. The Congress MLA Amin Patel, who was speaking on the opposition's decision to boycott the special assembly in Maharashtra. Listen into what he said.
हमारे साथ कांग्रेस के वरिष्ठ नेता और मुंबई से विधायक अमीन पटेल जी है। सर, आज महाविकास आघाड़ी के सब जो विधायक है उन्होंने जो है कहा है कि हम शपथ नहीं लेंगे और मूव आउट किया असेंबली से। क्या इसके पीछे की वजह है?
देखिए, जो हुआ है वो गलत हुआ है, बहुत शर्मनाक है, बहुत दर्दनाक है। हम उनके सपोर्ट में खड़े हुए हैं। लोग आंदोलन करते हैं, उनको आंदोलन का पूरा हक है, और जब लोग चाहते हैं कि बैलेट पे चुनाव होना चाहिए तो बैलेट पे चुनाव क्यों नहीं कर रहे? और पूरे दुनिया में, पूरे विश्व में बहुत सारी जगह है जहाँ बैलेट पे चुनाव हो रहा है। लोगों की मांग है, लोगों की मांग का सम्मान करना चाहिए।
इसके सपोर्ट में आपने कहा कि बैलेट पेपर पे चुनाव होना चाहिए, इसके लिए अभी महाविकास आघाड़ी रास्ते पे उतरकर आंदोलन करेगी क्या?
बिल्कुल करेगी, बिल्कुल करेगी। आज हमारी पार्टी की मीटिंग होगी, हमारी महाविकास आघाड़ी की मीटिंग होगी, उसमें आगे की रणनीति तय होगी।
सर, आखिरी सवाल, महायुति की सरकार आई है लेकिन जो कैबिनेट जो है वो अलोकेशन हुआ नहीं है, सस्पेंस कायम है। जो स्पीकर पोस्ट है उसको भी लेके बीजेपी और शिवसेना के बीच रस्सीखेच शुरू है।
आप देख रहे हो कि इतना बड़ा मैंडेट मिलने के बाद में भी मंत्री नहीं बन रहे, तो ये इसके पीछे का जो बात है वो आपको सबको, महाराष्ट्र की जनता को समझ में आ रही है।
धन्यवाद सर बातचीत करने के लिए। वीडियो जर्नलिस्ट विष्णु के साथ डैरल मिरांडा, इंडिया न्यूज, मुंबई। हमारे साथ कांग्रेस।
Now, staying on the story, there's a major relief to the Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister and Nationalist Congress Party leader Ajit Pawar.